Today I'm checking out this bike brake bleed kit. I was sent this at no cost so I can do the review. Let's see what's in this box and check it out. So everything you see here comes with this kit. Of course, we've already seen the case, but these are all the extra pieces it comes with. So these are 2 syringes. They're pretty much identical, it looks like, and they do have markings on them so you know exactly how much you're taking out or putting in. It comes with this disc brake mineral oil, basically your hydraulic oil. It comes with a bleed bottle that you can bleed into or you can pour out of. It's got this cap here that has a hose adapter. This is a bleed funnel, so you can funnel that in, put new hydraulic fluid in there. You've got 2 long lines and 2 short lines here. You've got tools that you would need to, take all this apart and get it, bled. Then also you've got all these different fittings, couple bands. This is a stopper for your funnel. These are some extra syringe gaskets that go in there. These go on these hoses here so you can clamp them and block them off. So like if you're, feeding in using the lines with something, you can just stop the line. And these are all piston blocks. There's 3 different kind of piston blocks here based upon what bike you're bleeding. And of course it comes with a manual that, kind of explains all of this. If you've never done this kind of work on your bike, definitely read the manual. It goes through how to do that and all the different things you need to do for different style brakes. It looks like everything that you're going to need to do this job is here in this kit. And of course, you get quite a bit of brake fluid. Of course, this is replaceable, but everything here is reusable. So you can service your bike over and over again. This is not like a one-time use kit. Everything you need is here. You put it back in the case and you're good to go for the next time. All of the parts on it seem to be pretty nice quality. These aren't little cheapy syringes. These are nice syringes that have good seals on them. Replaceable parts. Very nice. I definitely like this kit and I definitely think that you will too. And I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.